Stupid flow, bro.
Let me miss out on stupid flow. Flowzilla.
Hey, but you got so hard, bro. This is official, bro. This is it.
Flowzilla. Going harder than a gorilla. Bro, you gotta let me get, bro. Stupid mush. Stupid mush. Mush. He got a ruler in his hand.
What y'all going crazy? I'm trying to beat your ass, bro.
What?
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 Hey, come on, bro. You got to back, bro.
Mush
Elijah, you got
squad.
to miss it, bro. Elijah, you got to miss it.
Oh, you got Shawty tight over here. You should never mush her, bro. She about to beat your ass. She about to call up all her homes, all her MJs, all of them. They about to beat the fuck out you, nigga.
What?
They about to beat the fuck out you, nigga. They about to beat the fuck. It's this nigga. He trying to push people and shit. Bruh.
Let me do
Let's see. Show. I'ma show your face, bro.
Okay.
Watch. If y'all see this camera drop, it's recording too.
Stupid iPhone HD, boy. You
I'm gonna
this
be like,
and
y'all see this camera drop, this nigga getting his ass whooped. We already went through the ones once, bro. Bro, I smacked you up.
Nigga, no tsunami.
What's up? We can rap about that.
Nigga, this ain't no Urami. Matter of fact, niggas be snitching. Wait for the feds to try to find me. Sit there and tell you right now, sit there, knock it out, niggas, if it was fight night. I understand I hit that shit hard, nigga. I ain't no Ike. At the same time, I probably sit there and get 2 dikes and I put that ass in rolls like if I'm playing right on bingo night. Now, if you like it, first flow game never rehearsed. She sit there and get it from the back like as if a baby's about to burp. She sit there and say right now, oh my gosh, I love you, baby. At the same time, sit there and got their head spinning like her ass is crazy. She sits there and say, why? Slipping the game like KY. You sit there thinking that you got stroke game, nigga. You just got denied. No bankrupts. Nigga flow game so corrupt. She said to took it all for us. Matter of fact, she said to she boss for us. Next thing you know, she sits there and waiting for the call, but she know that I'm sitting bone like good saw. No, this Kobe. Girl wanna sit and say she wanna get up on me. She already knows she's been riding like a pony, no genuine. Girl wanna sit there and go hit the grind. Sit there and understand she wanna be my sideline, baby girl. You know it's mine. She sit there and say I'm playing just like a starter, dunking over the niggas, no Vince Carter. You think you hard, nigga, we way harder. Send take her to the pad, flow game heavy like a maxi pad. She sit to say right now, we be sitting, gonna take all this niggas cash. This nigga scared, nigga just been so queer. Understand I sit there and get my wrist looking like I sat there and took some bed. Look here, you see this shit? Matter of fact, this came from shit. Next thing you know, nigga got mad so he had to punch his ass out, then we took all his shit. Next thing you know, he sat there and talked about he sat there been so hard, talking all that shit while his girl sitting taking it all in jaws. Understand niggas want to sit there and make me sit and go in the pop, sit there and put it right inside his mouth, watch your head go, hit the snap, crackle and pop. Damn. Sit there and understand we going ham. Sit there and hit that pussy hard. Nigga ain't no bam bam. Nigga been the Fruit Loop. Yeah, you been that Toucan Sam. At the same time, they got your girl sitting raving like it's summer jam.
Oh, this shit.
Sit there and go ahead and make my pause. Sit there and passing all this luck out, nigga. This ain't Lucky Charms. Matter of fact, put me on a commercial. Put me on my new concert, baby girl. She feeling like she just got that work in the way I stretch her out. Sit there and go ahead and make my mouth. Nigga wanna sit there and go ahead and pout. Sit there and got my freestyle coming so hard, niggas hit you. Niggas got so many doubts. Let's have sex, but this ain't Chris Brown. Matter of fact, no new boys, but your girl still trying to tie me down. Bass like surround sound. Sit there and understand it's me. Big string like if I'm sitting there and rocking on that HD. Niggas say I come to life like as if I'm put on 3D. She sit there and say I'm about to be watched on her screen like it's TV. Sit there and got her head spinning like a CD. She sit there and stand in the system like an IV. And niggas want to sit there and get mad. Have his blood spreading like HIV. And if you feeling like you want to get checked like VD, I understand niggas want to sit there and cop me, cop C's. Every next thing you know, these girls want to sit there and cop these nuts. Niggas saying you know I sit and go kick it off first punt. Niggas getting too weak like a runt. Understand sit there getting cleaned out, no cunt. She sit there and say I'm the best, no huh. She sit there and just think right now. Girls sit there waiting like ink right now. Next thing you know, my flow spilling around you niggas like as if it was ink right now. How long has freestyle been going? Matter of fact, nigga ain't even slowing. Understand sit there and be best in the game. You you a Ricky while we sit there and playing pros in. Matter of fact, you can let the beat stop. Even niggas up like ham hocks. If I sit there and be the best nigga on here, who the best nigga up on your block? Probably my crew, cause we sat there and been spin gaming your bitch air like Bluetooth. Next thing you know, she sit there and say, who sit there and giving out these luck to these niggas like Blues Clues. Next thing you know, sit there and stay on the best. Next thing you know, sit there guys flying like it's just this S on my chest. Sit there hanging like old lady's breast. Now if you feeling like you want to be the Knicks, nigga, sit there and be a bank, they're the bullets. It's something you about to invest.
Look, my nigga, you don't need money. Bro, Bush Squad. Hey, let them know what this is.
That nigga just fucking snapped.
Which niggas?
He better than...
Which niggas?
Oh,
That nigga.
Stupid.